Hey servus, what's up guys, Sepik here with my first ever tutorial. It's gonna be a quick and easy one, but let's start with the simple stuff and then get to the more complicated one. If you don't know me, I shoot travel and error videos in and around Vancouver. You can follow me on Instagram on the sepik__. I will link it below. If you follow me already on Instagram, you know that I just released the Lightroom preset pack, which you can apply to your mobile and your desktop version of the Lightroom. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's don't waste any time and jump right into it. So first of all, you gotta understand this. There's two different file formats for the presets now in the new update. There's the XMP files that actually work in Camera Raw and Lightroom, and then there's the old version, which is just the LRT template. Those are these ones here. So I created my Lightroom presets in the XMP files, so I'm gonna show you how to load them in Lightroom first. So once you have the files on your computer, you unpack them and you open up Lightroom. So to load the presets into Photoshop, you go to Preferences, Show Lightroom Presets folder. I'm just going to open up the folder in the Finder here. So originally the presets go into Lightroom, but in the new version you have to go to Camera Raw and then Settings, and then you just copy the whole folder and you just copy it into the folder here. So once again you go to Show the Lightroom Preset folder, not into Lightroom but go into Camera Raw, then go to Settings, and then just copy the folder in this folder with the presets. Then I'm gonna restart Lightroom. And there we go, the presets are in here and you just can apply them, just a new one I created, Cypress. And what is interesting is you just slide over the presets here and it changes. It used to be just a small window up here, but now it changes the big picture, so that's pretty cool. So if you have the old file format of the presets, the LR template files, these ones, you're just gonna import them, go to the plus, then click on Import Presets, locate them, and Lightroom will automatically convert them into the XMP files. So sometimes when I'm not at home and don't have my computer, I like to edit my photos on Lightroom Mobile. So it used to be really hard to put presets on the Lightroom mobile app, but that changed with the latest update. You just go to Presets, then go up to these three little dots here, then go to Import Presets, and then you have the files. Just locate the files here. I have it in this old folder, and then click Import. There we go, and there's the presets. So for me, usually it takes a couple of minutes until the presets are on the phone. I open the phone and load a picture, go to presets, and there we go. The presets are loaded and I can change them very easily on my phone, and I just don't have to use my computer when I'm on the go. So that's pretty handy. So that was it already guys, thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my content, I'll be posting lots more interesting stuff soon, so you can consider subscribing down below. And I will also link the preset pack so you can check it out. It's actually pay what you want, so you can buy it for whatever price you want to. So yeah, that was it. See you guys in the next video. Servus and see you soon.